Hey there, welcome to Fact Frenzy. In this video, we'll explore 10 fascinating random facts, the strange, surprising, and spectacular trivia that makes our world so interesting. Sit back, relax, and prepare to expand your knowledge. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. This incredible shelf life is due to honey's unique chemical properties. It has very low moisture content and high acidity, creating an environment where bacteria and microorganisms cannot survive. Honey is also the only food produced by insects that humans regularly consume. Bees visit about 2 million flowers to produce just 1 pound of honey, and a single worker bee will only make about 1/12 teaspoon of honey in its entire lifetime. Talk about a labor of love. An octopus has one main heart that pumps blood through its body, and 2 additional hearts that pump blood through its gills. This unique cardiovascular system helps them adapt to the cold, low-oxygen environments of the deep ocean where many octopus species live. What's even more impressive is that octopus blood is blue, not red like ours. This is because their blood contains a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, rather than the iron-based hemoglobin found in human blood. This adaptation helps them survive in the frigid depths where oxygen is scarce. A Great Basin bristlecone pine in California's White Mountains, nicknamed Methuselah, is estimated to be over 4,850 years old. However, in 2013, scientists discovered another bristlecone pine in the same area that may be over 5,000 years old, potentially making it the oldest non-clonal living organism on Earth. These ancient trees have witnessed the rise and fall of countless human civilizations, from ancient Egypt to the Roman Empire and beyond. Their remarkable longevity comes from their slow growth rate and the harsh, dry environment where they live, which reduces the threat from insects, fungi, and forest fires. Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. However, it only takes 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun completely. This means that a single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. To make things even stranger, Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most planets in our solar system, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. If you could stand on Venus's surface, which you couldn't, due to its crushing atmospheric pressure and surface temperature hot enough to melt lead, you would see the sun rise in the west and set in the east. The average human body contains enough fat to produce about 7 bars of soap. This fact comes from the historical practice of soap making, where animal or human fat was mixed with lye to create a cleaning agent. Don't worry though, modern commercial soap is made from vegetable oils or synthetic materials. Human fat, or adipose tissue, serves many vital functions beyond its soap-making potential. It insulates our bodies, cushions our organs, stores energy, and produces hormones that regulate various bodily functions. While we often talk about fat in negative terms, it's actually essential for our survival. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries technically aren't berries at all. For a fruit to be considered a true berry, it must develop from a single flower with 1 ovary and typically has several seeds. Bananas fit this definition perfectly. Those little black spots in bananas are undeveloped seeds. Strawberries, on the other hand, are aggregate accessory fruits, meaning they develop from multiple ovaries of a single flower, with the seeds on the outside actually being individual fruits themselves. Other surprising botanical berries include tomatoes, avocados, and eggplants, while raspberries and blackberries aren't true berries either. When flamingos gather together, they form what's known as a flamboyance, perhaps one of the most aptly named animal groupings given their vibrant pink coloration and flamboyant appearance. These social birds typically live in large colonies that can number in the thousands. The flamingo's distinctive pink color comes from their diet, which is rich in beta-carotene from algae, shrimp, and other crustaceans. Young flamingos are actually born with gray feathers that gradually turn pink as they mature and consume more of these pigment-rich foods. The more beta-carotene in their diet, the more vibrant their pink coloration becomes. While it might sound unbelievable, humans actually share approximately 50% of their DNA with bananas. This surprising fact highlights how all life on Earth is connected through shared ancestry and evolutionary history dating back billions of years. This genetic similarity exists because all living organisms on Earth share certain core genes that are essential for basic cellular functions. These genes have been preserved throughout evolution because they perform fundamental tasks necessary for life, such as producing energy and repairing cellular damage. So next time you eat a banana, remember you're enjoying a distant cousin. According to calculations by physicist Russell Seitz, if you were to weigh all the electrons in motion that make up the internet at any given moment, they would weigh about 50 grams, roughly the weight of a strawberry. This calculation factors in the mass of electrons moving through networks worldwide to transmit data. This mind-boggling fact highlights how something of such immense importance and complexity in our daily lives can have so little physical mass. Of course, the infrastructure supporting the internet servers, cables, and data centers weighs millions of tons, but the actual information being transmitted is astonishingly lightweight. Research has shown that cows form close bonds with other cows, developing what we might call best friendships. These bovine buddies prefer to spend time together, grazing side by side and grooming each other. When separated from their preferred companions, cows show measurable signs of stress and reduced milk production. This discovery has led some progressive dairy farmers to keep friendship groups together during transitions between pastures or barns. Scientists believe this social behavior evolved as a survival mechanism in wild cattle ancestors, where strong social bonds helped protect the herd from predators and find better grazing areas. So next time you see a field of cows, remember they're not just mindlessly munching grass, they're hanging out with their besties. Thanks for joining us for these 10 fascinating facts. If you enjoyed expanding your knowledge, be sure to like and subscribe for more surprising information about our wonderful world. Until next time, stay curious,